Next topic we are discussing on the linear equations with one variable. The equations, if they have given in the fraction form, then reduced to linear form. Linear form means the variables should be in the numerator only, not in the denominator. For example, we are taking one problem, solve x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 equal to 3 by 8. Here in the denominator also having the x term, so we can reduce it into linear form of the equation is nothing but that can be taking to numerator only. How we can take means by the cross multiply we can take it. Okay. First of all, what they have given the equation is given that x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 equal to 3 by 8. By cross multiply, 8 into x plus 1 equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. From the using of the distributive law, 8 into x 8x plus 8 into 1 8 equal to 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9. Now we are taking the x terms one side and the constant terms another side. So transpose of the terms, 8x here 6 having the positive, so taking to another side means the signs will change, that is minus 6x. Here 9 plus 8 is taking to right side, it becomes minus 8. 8x minus 6x is the 2x equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So x equal to 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Next, taking one more example. Second one. Present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from now, 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Here, what they have given, in this, they have given the present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. That is nothing but given that present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. That is nothing but Anu present age equal to 4x, Raj present age equal to 5x. Next, 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages, 8 years from now, Anu's age equal to 4x plus 8, Raju's age equal to 5x plus 8. Their ages ratio is 5:6. So, the ratio of their ages the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. That is nothing but 4x plus 8 by 5x plus 8 equal to 5:6. After the cross multiplication, so by the cross multiplication, we are taking 6 into 4x plus 8 equal to 5 into 5x plus 8. By the distribution law, 6 4s are 24x plus 8 6s are 48 equal to 5 5s are 25x plus 5 8s are 40. And the x terms taking to one side, constant terms another side, then it is 48 minus 40 equal to 25x minus 24x. So 8 equal to x. Therefore, present age of Anu present age equal to 4x. That is equal to 4 into 8 equal to 8 4s are 32. Raj present age equal to 5x. That is 5 into 8 5 5s are 40 years. Therefore, Anu's age is 32 years. Raju's age is 40 years. Discuss about the exercise 2.6 on the reduced to linear form. The first, solve the following questions. Those have given in the fraction form of the variables, expressing in the variables. The first question, 8x minus 3 by 3x equal to 2. Second one, 9x by 7 minus 6x equal to 15. Third one, z by z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. Fourth one, 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 by 5. Fifth one, 7y plus 4 by y plus 2 equal to minus 4 by 3. In all problems, we can do just cross multiplication only. First, we can write the given problem is given that 8x minus 3 by 3x equal to 2. By the cross multiply, 8x minus 3 equal to 2 into 3x. Here 8x minus 3 equal to 2 3s are 6x. So x terms taking to one side, constants are another side, the transpose method. 8x minus 6x equal to 3. 8 minus 6 is 2x equal to 3. X equal to 3 by 2. So the value of the x is 3 by 2. It is the solution of the first question. The second solution is, second problem, given that 9x by 7 minus 6x equal to 15. It is also by the cross multiply. 9x equal to 15 into 7 minus 6x. 9x equal to, by the distribution, 15 7s are 15 7s are 75 minus 15 4s are not 75, 15 105. 7 5s are 35, 3 is the carry. 105 minus 15 6s are 90x. This 90x is taking to left side, then 90x plus 9x equal to 105. This is 99, x equal to 105, x equal to 105 by 99. 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 33s are 99, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So it is 35 by 33. So the x value is 35 by 33. Third problem. Given that z by z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9 multiply the cross multiplication. We can take the cross multiplication. 9 into z equal to 4 into z plus 15. 9z equal to, by the distribution 4 into z, 4z, 4 15s are 60. By the transpose method, 9z, z taking to one side terms, 9z minus 4z equal to 60. It's 5z equal to 60. Z equal to 60 by 5. 5 12s are. So z value is 12. Fourth one. 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 by 5. The same thing by the cross multiplication only. 5 into 3y plus 4 equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 equal to minus 2 2s are minus 4 minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12y. Taking y terms one side, constants are one side. 15y minus 12y equal to minus 4 plus 20 taking to another side minus 20. So subtraction of 15 minus 12 is 3. Now, no connect chesnava.